Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Merging PDF files on your phone is easier than you might think, and you don't need to spend any money doing it. Step 1. Download a free PDF Merger app from your phone's App Store. Search for apps like Adobe Acrobat Reader, I Love PDF, or PDF Merge, which all offer free versions that work great on mobile devices. Make sure to check the ratings and reviews before downloading. Step 2. Open the app and look for the Merge or Combine option in the main menu. Most apps have this feature front and center, usually with an icon that looks like multiple documents coming together. Tap on that option to get started. Step 3. Select the PDF files you want to merge from your phone's storage. You'll browse your files and choose them one by one or all at once, depending on the app. The order you select them matters because that's the order they'll appear in your final document. Step 4. Arrange the files in the correct order if your app allows it. Some apps let you drag and drop pages or documents to reorder them before merging. This is important because you want your final PDF organized the way you need it. Step 5. Tap the Merge button and wait for the app to process your files. The time this takes depends on how large your PDF files are, but it usually completes within a few seconds to a minute. Once finished, you can save your new merged PDF directly to your phone.